I don't think a Robin is meant to sound like this. Sounds good though. Well, I want to take this out the other day for a trip across the country. First kind of big trip in this for me. But unfortunately, my friend had borrowed it the week before. He'd gone to Butlins Minehead and the exhaust snapped off on his way there. They managed to get there, that was fine. Went to a local garage and they welded the exhaust back on. And for the last couple of days, it's been absolutely brilliant. The car sounded lovely. But the night before the trip, about 9:30, 10 o'clock at night, I jumped in the car, went to the local petrol station, filled up with juice, and it sounded like this. So I think we need to change the exhaust. So this should be a relatively easy job because this was off recently. Now I've added a bit of Bulldog. That's tightening. Oh, that's good. The nut is coming undone rather than the stud. That's always a bonus. Take that off, keep it safe. I'll probably put a bit of gun gum around that and reuse it. I know I shouldn't, but I don't have a replacement. Okay, I'll leave that up on there. And that's how bad that is. And it started raining. Let's go hide. You can tell my mate John has been under here. He loves a clip. Okay, that's it undone. Which is the easiest way to get this out under. Right, that's holding off. This is a new one. Check's in tune. Yeah, that sounds pretty good. Right, play something religious. Beg to the gods that all this works and good things happen. Right, let's get this on. I'm not playing the old one. Right, I've got this exhaust bit to put it back together. I haven't got a new gasket, so this will have to do the job. So we're just gonna put a bit of that around the edge. Oop. I don't know why it's so oily there, but it's just the way it's settled in the tube. That'll do it. It's only to give it a little bit of a help. I'll stick on there. Do the same around the top of the exhaust pipe. Not in that, not in that. Just around the edge. And I regret getting it on the bolts, I know that. Right, and I'll stick the other end up. that's all tightened on nice. Let's give that a... There we are. Same round the back. Job done. And there she is, idling lovely now with the new exhaust. There we are. Doesn't smell of exhaust in here, so that's all good. Right, so a minute ago I was outside the house doing the exhaust on the car, and now I'm actually happy to resprayed. Why is that? Well, this car is going to be on the Reliant Owners Club stall in the NEC Practical Classics show at the end of this month. That's running between the 23rd and 26th of March. So I thought I can't really put this car on display when it's still looking a bit rough around the edges. So I brought it down to Jason. We're giving it a good clean. He's going to do the bottom half of the car. We're going to redo the stickers, and then this will be on the stand at the NEC. So if you want to see me there, or if you want to come and talk about Reliant, or just have a good look around the show and you happen to be there, pop by and say hello. I shall see you next time. Cheers.